tak faham betul dengan orang yang suka double park ni, and then you don't leave your phone number dekat kereta. Kenapa lah korang? So long story short, aku baru lepas habis shopping dekat kedai bundle ni. So I went back to my car and I noticed ada satu kereta putih, Honda, I think Honda Civic I rasa, double park behind my car. So aku masa tu dah macam, you know, start looking around, searching for the owner lah, because like aku nak dialihkan kereta kan, naturally. And then ada seorang pakcik ni dengan anak dia keluar daripada Big Pharma, literally kedai yang depan kereta aku ni. We literally made eye contact. Can literally see yang aku tengah mencari tau owner kereta yang park belakang kereta aku tu. He literally like look at me, like stare at me. Aku pun macam like, is it dia punya kereta ke ni? So aku macam expect dia, you know, kalau ikutkan common sense, like for me lah, I don't know about you guys, kalau for me aku nampak macam ada orang nak keluar, aku akan cepat-cepat alihkan kereta, right? Tapi this guy, dia macam like was just staring at me, and then dia macam buat muka dia, nampak muka dia ada sikit bersalah, and dia just belah. Dia belah pergi depan kedai lain. And aku macam, okay, maybe it's not his car lah kan. And I honk my car macam orang gila tau tak, dekat depan kedai tu, trying to find the owner. And tapi tak ada siapa-siapa yang mengaku. So I got out of my car, aku masuk dekat kedai Big Pharma tu and ask the staff lah dekat situ, boleh tak tanyakan siapa punya kereta yang double park depan kereta, belakang kereta I ni, I tanya. So the staff dalam kedai tu pun cuba nak bantu aku cari owner kereta tu, tapi malangnya tak jumpa juga. So she told me, cuba try tanya kedai sebelah ni, dekat maybe orang tu dalam tu. And I'm like, okay, pergilah, you know, keluar daripada Big Pharma, enter another shop, and I asked the staff as well, and she said, dia pun she did the same thing, and tak jumpa juga owner. So it got a little chaotic. There was a bit of commotion because like